Amidst the strong wave of development in the north, Bắc Ninh, a land converging industry, technology, and tradition, continues to affirm its position as a top destination for domestic and foreign investors. Bắc Ninh, the leading bright spot for investment attraction in the north, ranking first nationwide in total registered foreign direct investment capital with nearly 5.12 billion USD, accounting for approximately 13.4% of the country's total FDI, affirming its position as the most dynamic industrial and economic hub in Vietnam. Located at the heart of the north, Bắc Ninh possesses a prime location for connectivity, a strategic destination, the intersection of the region's most modern expressways, national highways, and beltways. With a synchronous transportation infrastructure system, Bắc Ninh easily connects the key economic triangle of Hanoi, Haiphong, Quang Ninh, creating outstanding advantages in cargo circulation and industrial development. Bắc Ninh boasts abundant human resources with nearly 2 million highly skilled workers and competitive labor costs. Moreover, Bắc Ninh possesses a young and plentiful workforce, the foundation for a sustainable industry. Methodically trained, disciplined, and dynamic, the people of Bắc Ninh are the strength that creates value, propelling this land further on Vietnam's economic map. With outstanding potential and dedication, FECON IP, the industrial real estate brand of FECON Invest, a member of FECON Group, is committed to accompanying Bắc Ninh province in building the FECON IP Hiệp Hòa industrial cluster in Hiệp Hòa, Bắc Ninh, aiming for the goals green, sustainable, modern, environmentally friendly. FECON is one of the Vietnam's leading corporations in construction and infrastructure development, specializing in foundations, underground works, and industrial parks. With over 20 years of experience, FECON has participated in numerous key projects contributing to the sustainable development of the country. Typical projects: Samsung Taiwan Factory, Nissan Refinery and Petrochemical Complex, LG High-Tech Complex Haiphong, Hanoi Metro Line 3, Lê Van Luong Underpass Hanoi, major industrial parks, La Khoa Hoa Dong Wind Power Project Sok Trang, Trevine V13 Wind Power Project, North-South Expressway Project, and many projects large and small nationwide have been built bearing the mark of FECON. FECON not only delivers sustainable infrastructure solutions but also constantly innovates, applying advanced technologies to accompany Vietnam's development. FECON IP Hiệp Hòa Industrial Cluster possesses a strategic location, easily connecting to arterial traffic routes. Situated at the intersection center of three important expressways, Hanoi Taiwan, Hanoi Lang Son, and Hanoi Bai Ha Long, the industrial cluster offers convenient access to Hanoi and neighboring provinces. 50 kilometers from Hanoi City Center, 30 kilometers from Noi Bai International Airport, 25 kilometers from Bắc Ninh City, 105 kilometers from Haiphong City, and 120 kilometers from Lang Son City. FECON IP Hiệp Hòa Industrial Cluster is only a short distance from major technology corporations such as Samsung Taiwan 23 kilometers, Amcor Bắc Ninh 22 kilometers, Samsung Bắc Ninh 22 kilometers, Gortec Vietnam 30 kilometers, Foxconn Backtown 23 kilometers, and Luxshare Backjang 23 kilometers, meeting the needs for transportation, manufacturing, and export, completing the supply chain for the technology giants in the region. With an area of 75 hectares and a construction density of up to 70%, the industrial cluster plans for 98,000 square meters of greenery and water surface. This will provide green space and amenities, contributing to environmental protection. The wastewater treatment plant system utilizes AO technology combined with physicochemical methods, with a capacity of over 3,000 cubic meters per day and night. The industrial cluster commits to treating large volumes of wastewater to meet standards and be environmentally friendly. Additionally, there is a clean water supply system meeting international standards, ensuring quality and safety for users. The 22 kilovolt power grid system with a capacity of 26 MVA ensures a stable 24/7 power supply. FECON IP Hiệp Hòa is a strategic partner of the world's leading renewable energy solutions providers, supporting clients in obtaining carbon credits and enhancing the use of clean energy. FECON IP Hiệp Hòa provides office services with an area of up to 1,000 square meters at the operation center during the client's factory construction period, along with housing areas for domestic and international experts. With amenities such as banks, post offices, clinics, restaurants, and supermarkets located right within FECON IP Hiệp Hòa Industrial Cluster, we ensure maximum convenience for every client. With all these superior factors, FECON IP Hiệp Hòa Industrial Cluster does not stop at providing modern infrastructure, but also creates a professional, friendly, and optimal environment for businesses to invest and develop. We are committed to delivering a synchronous and convenient manufacturing and business ecosystem, helping enterprises not only operate efficiently, but also make firm breakthroughs in the market. This development not only promotes the entire provincial economy, but also brings breakthrough strides for clients, creating potential business opportunities and contributing to improving the quality of life. With our company, your enterprise will have a solid foundation for outstanding growth, maximizing every opportunity in the new industrial era. With the goal of optimizing the investment process, we commit to accompanying and providing solutions for clients in all aspects related to investment, registration procedures, business registration procedures, environmental procedures, fire safety licenses and construction permits, labor recruitment, work permits for foreigners, accommodation for experts. These services aim to ensure that the client's investment, construction, and manufacturing processes proceed smoothly and effectively, helping businesses focus on sustainable development and achieving success in business operations. FECON IP Hiệp Hòa Industrial Cluster is not only an ideal destination for investors, but also brings sustainable development opportunities and long-term benefits, contributing to building a green, modern future for Vietnam and delivering superior value to clients. FECON IP Hiệp Hòa Smart Solutions Sustainable Journey.